Day 2.
Hello, everybody. It is day 2. Are you actually recording?
Yeah.
Really? So we are on our way to breakfast.
Yeah, he is recording.
Then the kids are going to be doing high ropes.
And then football
Where's your football trainers?
in Sam's bag.
Just entering this competition as well. Neil and Cody have guessed. Have you guessed? Oh,
No.
Oh, you've answered it.
Cody
Correct.
googled it.
Yeah. Maybe.
We researched it. What is it? We googled it. You say we researched it.
With Google.
Google.
It was research. What better way to start the day off? With a healthy breakfast. Yes,
I mean,
kids?
not for me. I got
That's healthy, isn't it, Cody?
Yeah, very healthy. I only got like 1,000 calories. Then.
Go, Cody, get in there.
Right.
Well, how did you do?
Good.
Where did your team come?
What did you follow? What were the scores? What were the scores?
So basically, first match we won 1-0. Second match we drawn. Third match we lost 1-0.
Yeah, but there was a blatant handball in that. I see it. I see the handball in the box. Should have been a penalty.
Yeah.
And then what was the last one? That was 0-0. So where did you come?
Came third.
The kids are still in the Sky Park. It's 1 o'clock and we need to get to the arts and craft activity. So I've suggested that me and Neil can go and sit in there and then they can catch us up. Oh, there we are. They should be coming. Before the kids get here. Oh. Finally joined us. Will you? The arts and craft.
Good concentration.
Who do you think I'm drawing, guys, in the comments? Let me know down below. Casey, don't say it.
Maybe I should have done bigger wings. Styled his hat. It was very good. Neil's creation.
There we go. Off to the free fall.
Just on free fall, I went first and really good, but didn't get to have 3 goes this time.
Depends how many you're doing it and how much time you get, but you did 2. And you were straight up, you didn't hesitate.
No.
Cheers, good buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because
There he is, concentrating. He's literally just ignoring me now. He is. It is spacing me out.
you want to zoom it out.
Got it? Got it?
Yeah. She's going to win this now. Yeah, you still get another go because you got a strike. Casey, this is worth triple.
Don't pressure her then, or nothing.
Don't miss it. She's won. She's won. Three, that's another 9 points. And again, you got another one. 8 and the 7. You've won. I don't think I can catch her. There we go. Casey's won. Cody second. Carolyn let us down.
Power's fun. When you look after it, that's how you get more points. Yeah? So just nice and gentle, nice and slow. Keep that thumb at the front and make sure you start with the ball up first. Yeah, there you go. And push, swing.
Try it. I've got sandals on now. Try again.
When you come back, you've got my hand up. When you bring it here, it's going to continue. So you want to keep it here. Yeah? Keep it there.
Does your arm go straight, Cody?
You see how far back I went? I didn't go all the way up here, did I? I just went like this.
And that practice that.
You don't get it.
That might be
Just takes a bit of practice. That's better. Better. Much better.
Yeah, just swing it right.
Hard to do. Better, much better.
Hey, look.
When you put it in the door, what do you do to the key to open the door?
Turn it.
Turn it. Perfect. Keep your eye on that key for me.
I'm scared.
Just watch the key, yeah? Yeah. Because you go like that.
That's scary. That's actually. Can you teach me?
Show you a trick if you like. Do you want to join in one?
Yeah.
Can you hold your hand out like this? Perfect. So we've got a chain and a ring. I'm going to pop this on your hand. I want you to hold it nice and still for me. And I'm going to put that on the bottom. And when I let go, it comes off. Well, that's because you didn't say any magic words. Do you know any magic words? Oh, don't kill me, but that'll do. You ready? 3, 2, 1. How'd you do that? I'm not holding it, you are. Look, you put a knot in it. You're a wizard, Harry. Hold your hand out like this. Cool. Stand there for me. We have a dice, a cup, and a lid. I want you to choose any number you like. Once you've chosen it, you pop it in the cup. Don't say it out loud because I can't know. Just make sure your number's on the top for me, okay? Cover it with a lid and tell me when you're finished. I'm going to turn around.
Yeah, do I put the lid on?
Yeah? All done? Yeah. Cool. Or you can think of that number in your head, but don't say it. Say it over and over in your head, yeah? Look at me for just a moment. You've got to look at me for a moment. Oh, it's a 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
How did I know that then?
I don't know.
How did you know that?
A lovely bit of magic. Cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
You ever seen a Morgan dollar before? I'll show you. A Morgan dollar. It's an old American silver coin, but this is just a replica. If I put that in that hand, can you tell me what hand it's in? No, it's in that one. That's what I put it in. Ah, but look, put it in that hand. Look, it'll disappear. And it'll come back. All I've got to do is pick it up, give it a blow, it's gone, and then you pick it back, look.
That's scary.
And I'll leave you with a really, really bad joke. Did you know if you talk to cows, they make more milk? It goes in one ear and out the other.
I know that one. Had time. Thanks,
No, you're very welcome, honestly.